sharing view, and we're on Silver One Orchard. And now, let's go to the layer tab and let's put games Algo V2 Alpha. Let's apply it to our chart and let's start trading. So let's wait for Gains Algo to give us any signals. So Gains Algo give us sell signals and let's again put our positions here and let's go 20,000 units. Now let's wait. Okay. Down. Okay. Down. Oh!